So today it's the 26th of September 2022. I will get to see the indicator now. It's here on Yliskyläntie, vägen to. No, I mean it's this house number 7. Staircase F. Yes. We could only film the staircases B and F right now because the codes are impossible here. But we still have to get the 7 other ones later. The staircases A, C, D, E, G, H and I for myself later, hopefully. It was built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 50 years old in 2020, and the Cerberus VS 2291. It's in Laajasalo, Helsinki has watched also on the Finland. It's going to be inspected in 2024. Or maybe wait Finn tries to come here again, or somebody else, but later. I think you can also write up so that we remember that Texas B and F are filmed.
Yeah.
But again, others can also film them, but for me they are filmed already. But the 7 others later. These 4 purses are 320 grams.
Teit vaikka väistytään, että mentiin pääkopservice-keskus.
I will turn the lights.
They are needless because there are no windows.
Yeah. But still becomes a little bit lighter. In the shaft also.
Yeah.
But I love the sounds of it.
Same.
So thank you very much for watching, and that's it. I hope I'll get to the 7 other stakes as soon as possible.
That's